Hello boys, girls and my dear viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sambit Mukherjee 360 degrees. In one of my previous short videos, we saw the confluence of the Beas and Parvati rivers. Today's short video is not a planned one, it's actually an accidental one. You see, the bridge under which the Beas and Parvati river were confluencing, I wanted to know the name of that bridge, but I could not find it. So I had zoomed in the bridge to see what was written on the top when I saw all the birds sitting on top of the bridge, and after that I thought of making one short video of the birds sitting on top of the iron bridge. Let's watch those wonderful creatures right now. I have provided you multiple Amazon links in the description box below. Go there and buy all your essential items. Watch the full video by clicking the I button, which you can see on the top right hand corner now. That's all in today's short video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll catch you back in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.